Hi guys, so today Miss Feeta here. So today I am going to start with the tenses exercise. Before starting up these, I have already uploaded the videos of tenses and you can go through those videos. Okay, so after that you can see these exercises and there are only 10 questions with the answers. But before there are questions and after that answers. So which question you have liked the most, write in the comment box. Okay, so now before starting up we will read the thoughts. Okay, now there are 6 thoughts. I'll see. So the direction in which education starts a man will determine his future life, and this thought is given by the Plato, as you have seen in this. Yeah, direction above is given. Okay, so next thought is our tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. What is that thing? Our brain. Yeah. Next thought is our let us see now. Education is the power to think clearly, the power to act well in the world's work, and the power to appreciate life. This thought is given by the Brigham Young. Yeah, such a wonderful thought he's given. Next thought is a change is the end result of all true learnings. And Leo, this thought is given by Leo Buscaglia. Yeah. So the thoughts you like the most, you should write in the comment box. Okay. What we learn becomes a part of who we are. Yeah. And this thought is very wonderful. Think big, start small, learn fast. Which thought you like the most in the comment box. Okay, so now tenses of exercise. Tenses exercise is, oh my god, my screen has broken. Yeah. Just kidding. So when I opened my eyes, I dash a strange sight. Meena in her room, they dash in her progress monitor at 9:30 p.m. The Rajdhani Express dash depart. We dash engaging of a professional artist, that is think, and Thomas Alva Edison dash for years before he invented the electric bell. Experiment. The day is gloomy and humid. It dash rain. So I dash for an hour when the clock strikes 6. So here shop. The dash marry dash a cottage by the sea. By and they dash the play for an hour by 2 p.m. practice. So here from here you can see when I open my eyes, I dash a strange sight. So see this. Its answer is so. See, SAW. Yeah, first answer is so. Okay, then let me see the second question again. So second question is our Meena dash in her room. क्या कर रही है? सो रही है. सो रही है. अब next question देखो हम. Where, what is that? So our second answer is was sleeping. She was sleeping in her room. Okay. Then these curtains are just. So third is our they dash in her progress. What they were doing in her progress? Monitoring. What monitoring? Yeah. So answer should be were monitoring. They were monitoring. Okay. And fourth question is that at 9:30 p.m. the Rajdhani Express depart is given. So answer should be what? Had departed. They had already departed. So our fifth question is we dash of engaging a professional artist, and that is think. What he was thinking about. Yeah, professional artist was thinking about what? So I cannot imagine that. And the answer is had not been thinking. Okay. So our sixth question is Thomas Alva Edison dash for years before he invented the electric bell. उसके इलेक्ट्रिक बेल से इन्वेंट करने से पहले ही उसने क्या किया ईयर्स में एक्सपेरिमेंट दे रखा है इन द ब्रैकेट एंड द आंसर इज हैड बीन एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग वो ऑलरेडी कर रहा था एक्सपेरिमेंट या सो आवर सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन इज the day is gloomy and humid. It dash. What it dash? I love rain. Yeah. Who likes the rainy season? Tell me in the comment box. Okay. So our answer is going to be rain. It's going to rain. Okay. Then our eighth question is I dash for an hour when the clock strikes 6. So our that in the bracket is our shop. Shall not have been shopping. Here shop not a dukan, like it's just shopping when we go and buy some things. It's called as shopping. Yeah. So our ninth question is dash marry a dash a cottage by the sea. By in our bracket. Okay. So has in the first and second in the bot. See, let me check it out. See, has and bought, it's has and bought. Okay. And has Mary bought a cottage by the sea. Okay. So our 10th question is they dash the play for an hour by 2 p.m. Practice. They play for an hour, like our answer is will not have been practicing. Okay. So here you got all the answers. Okay. So bye guys. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, please do subscribe and share my videos. Bye. See you.